Hi, this is Ramaji. I thought it would be nice to announce the fact that we have a new satsang coming up this Saturday, October 31st. We haven't been on YouTube too much, but we're going to be coming back. So this is the email we sent out, and if you're not on our mailing list, then you can go to our website, rasatransmissioninternational.com, and sign up there. Then you'll get our announcement, our newsletter, and our announcement about our satsangs. Okay, so this is the email we sent out to announce it. We want to take a positive attitude towards what's going on. It's $25 and it goes about 2.5 hours, and we have the group Rasa at the end. So it's this Saturday, October 31st, 11 a.m. Pacific time. We're going to be talking about some knowledge that we have access to. We're going to be talking about what we think the positive unfolding is behind the coronavirus and all the various challenges that we're going through right now. And essentially how unconditional love is behind all of this, as hard as that may be to understand and appreciate. We'll also talk a little bit about the massive planetary energies that are going on. It's huge what's going on astrologically and energetically on this planet. And we'll talk about why it's happening, what is happening, where it's going, and when it's going to go through a massive change, a massive planetary shift. Okay, so that's this Saturday. Go to rasatransmissioninternational.com/events. And there'll be a recording made available, whether you want to watch it again or in case you were unable to attend. Okay, so that's it. You can get these emails in the future. Just sign up for the newsletter. Love to have you attend this Saturday, October 31st, Halloween, for satsang. Thanks again. We love you, and we will be doing a lot more videos soon. Thank you. We love you. Have a great October.